Ever wondered how to add a picture to your AWeber email signature? Whether it's your logo, a professional headshot, or a call to action banner, adding an image can make your emails stand out. But AWeber doesn't make this as straightforward as it should be. Stick around, because I'll show you exactly how to do it, plus a much better alternative that gives you way more flexibility. So let's get into it. First, log into your AWeber account and head over to List Settings. Scroll down to the Personalize Your List section. This is where your email signature lives. Now, here's the catch. AWeber doesn't have a direct upload image option. You'll need to host the image somewhere online, Google Drive, Dropbox, or even AWeber's own media library, then grab the direct image URL. Next thing, copy that URL, go back to the signature field, and use simple HTML. Type in LT, IMG SRC equals your image URL, width equals 200 and GT, or whatever size works for your email. Save the changes and you're done. But here's where AWeber falls short. There's no built-in formatting, no easy drag and drop, and limited customization. Another issue? AWeber's emails can sometimes strip out images in certain email clients, especially if the hosting source isn't trusted. So, if your image doesn't show up for some recipients, that's why. Now, if you want a way easier way to add images to your email signature, plus more design flexibility, there are better options. Instead of AWeber, platforms like ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, and GetResponse offer a more visual-friendly approach. They let you upload an image directly, customize layouts, and ensure everything displays correctly without needing HTML. And here's the best part. I've got an exclusive extended free trial to the best email marketing software that gives you everything AWeber does, but better. Plus, I've added some amazing alternatives, depending on what you need. Check the link in the description to get access to the best deal available only for our viewers.